Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Jio.com. Jio.com is an Indian telecommunications company and a subsidiary of Jio Platforms, which is headquartered in India. It operates a national LTE network with coverage across all 22 telecom circles. Now to log into Jio.com, go to your web browser and in the search box, type in www.jio.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard and you'll soon end up in the official site of Jio. To sign in, click on the sign in button located at the upper right. To log in, you can select the options displayed over here. If you want to log in via mobile, JioFi, JioFiber, JioLink, or if you lost your SIM, then log in by clicking on the link right here. Let me click on mobile. After you do that, you'll need to enter your Jio number over here and click on generate OTP. After you receive the OTP on your mobile number, you'll need to enter the OTP that you received, and after that, you'll be logged into your Jio account. I hope the tutorial was useful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with another tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.